I'm Claire Champion, I'm the Director of Operations and Nursing here at Lewisham Healthcare. I think it's really important that we try and make sure that when patients come into hospital that they feel really comfortable with the environment that they're in, because we come here every day, this is our place of work. But for patients who come here, this isn't normal, this is really different for them, and it's very easy for us to think that they're as used to what we're doing with them as they are with us. But I think it's important that we recognise that they're out of their comfort zone, they're going to be feeling vulnerable and nervous, and we need to do everything we can to make them feel that they've been treated with dignity and respect. The first and most obvious thing that we've done, and we're very lucky with the building that we have, is that we can offer single-sex accommodation, and there is never an exception to that, so all patients know they'll be treated in a male or a female area, and that's really important. I think the other things we've been really doing is working really hard with the nurses to make sure that they've got a good sense of what the patient's going through and making sure that their needs are attended to, because lots of people aren't comfortable ringing the bell, they don't like to ask for help, they know the staff are busy. So we've introduced 2-hourly rounding, which means that every 2 hours without fail, every patient will have the nurse come to say, are you comfortable, do you need pain relief, do you need help to move, do you need help to get up and go to the toilet? And so that we know that we're recording that as well, so we know that patients are receiving that level of personal attention and they're not sitting there wanting help but we don't realise. So there's a lot of work going on with trying to make sure that nurses are really focusing on the patients as an individual, and particularly in elderly care wards where people do find it difficult to express themselves. We're working very hard making sure that families feel involved in that as well.